So they say box A weighs 18 kg more than box B, but 16 kg less than box C. Now remember, if you see this word but, okay, so which box is 16 kg less than C? Is it B that's less than C, or is it A that's less than C?
A.
A, right? Very good. Okay, so after you see this word but, you must understand this refers back to the first object in the statement. So box A is 1/6 kg less than C. Okay, so now moving on. Okay, the question says that if box C weighs 3/4 kg. Okay, so very nice already. This question already give you the mass of one box already. Okay, which means that you don't need to draw model for this. Okay, you only draw model when you don't know the mass of any boxes. But in this case, since you already have box C mass, from there you can just proceed to do the comparison. Okay, so you see, I'll record that down first. So box C weighs 3/4 kg. Okay, so which box should I find next? Should I find the mass of A or the mass of B first? Looking at the information given in the question. Amber, what do you think?
Mass of A.
Mass of A, right? Very good. Because now we have this, you see, A is 16 kg less than C. So we have box C here and A here. So we can find the mass of box A first. Okay, so in this case, of course, to find box A, you just need to simply take the mass of C minus away 1/6. So do you remember how to minus this? Okay, do you all remember how to minus fractions? Okay, what must we do?
Yes, I do.
So Xavier, what must we do?
So you got to make the first of all, the first step you got to make the denominators to the same.
Very good. You gotta make the denominators to the same. Okay, so to make denominator the same,
For this one is 24.
okay, you can think of lowest common multiple. Okay, is there anything there is the lowest common multiple between 4 and 6?
12.
12, correct? Yeah, very good. So you can make them to 12. So you see, I changed them to 12, so 9/12 minus 2/12.
Yeah.
Okay, so we always work with lowest common multiples first for common denominator. It's easier that way. Okay, then of course the smaller the number, okay, the easier it is for you also when doing the calculations. Okay, so of course for box A, this will be 7/12. So of
Cannot simplify.
cannot simplify already, correct? So now we just read on. Okay, so now we are left with which box?
We are left with
B, correct. Okay, so now we need to find B. Okay, now be careful when you want to find B. Okay, read the question very carefully. Now they say A weighs 18 kg more than B. Okay, so what does that tell you about B? Who is the smaller group? Who is the bigger group in this case?
A is bigger and B is smaller.
Very good. So B is a smaller group. So should I do a plus or should I minus?
You should minus.
Yes, you should minus. Very good. Okay, so be careful when you read the questions. Don't just always think that, oh, I see more than means plus. No. Okay, you must always compare who is the smaller group, who is the bigger group.
Yeah.
Okay,
Unless
so
they're asking for A.
correct, unless they're asking for A. Okay, because A is a bigger group. So in this case, okay, I can take 7/12 minus away 1/8.
Yeah. But the denominators aren't the same.
They aren't the same. They are not the same. Very good. Okay, so between 12 and 8, any idea what's the lowest common multiple?
24.
Okay, 24. So very good. Okay, so if your times table is very strong, okay, finding lowest common multiple should be quite fast for you. Okay, so very good. You can change them to 24. Can I let you all continue from here?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll let you all continue to try from here. Okay, so just take note, okay, final answer, you must always give the simplest fraction and also must be proper or mixed number. Okay, you cannot give an improper fraction. So if you have an improper fraction, make sure you convert it to a mixed number. Okay, and then after that, checks for whether is it simplest form already. Okay, so for those who have done this one, your lowest common multiple, like what Xavier has shared with us, okay, lowest common multiple is 24. So for this one times 2 times 2, this one times 3 times 3. Okay, so 11 over 24, this is only for box B, correct or not? Okay, so Amber, just now you gave me this answer. Okay, so not done yet, right? Because the question asked for what?
3 boxes.
Yeah, all the 3 boxes, the total weight. Okay, so make sure you gotta do something else also. Okay, so check whether you all have this. Okay, so I'll just simply put all the 3 fractions together, A, B, and C together. Okay, again, now you see, before I add, I must check for common denominator first. Okay, so again, if your times table is strong, you should immediately be able to see that 4, 12, and 24, lowest common multiple is 24. Because 4 you can change to 24, 12 also can change to 24. Okay, so just nice. So we can use 24 as our common denominator. Okay, Xavier, correct? Xavier, good. Okay, so check whether you have this. Okay, so of course what you need to do next is just to add up the numerators. Okay, so this is my answer. Now, can I say that, oh, okay, this is my final answer, then that's it?
No, you can't leave it. Leave
You
it
must
like
make
that.
it to like a mix
The
number.
holes.
Yes,
You've
you
got
must.
to make the holes.
Yes, okay, so Chloe and Xavier, you're right. Okay, so you must make it to a mixed number. You cannot just leave it like that. Okay, so
Amber also said it.
Amber, oh Amber, okay. I cannot tell whose voice is that. Okay, so yeah, you can further change it to a mixed number. Okay, so you should get 1 whole and 19 over 24. Okay, so check if you have this.